who would have thought that these zigzag lines would be the embodiment of life and even organic chemistry? Atoms held together in long chains, bent at certain angles, and yet unique. If you look closely at such an organic molecule, you will see one atom from which most bonds originate. We call that the central atom, and it is the originator of bond angles. So, bond angle is a geometrical angle between two bonds originating from the same central atom in a covalently bonded molecule. A bond angle is measured in degree, and the value can range from 180 degrees to less than 90 degrees. The bond angle as small as 72 degrees is also seen in some polyatomic molecules like in iodine heptafluoride. Bond angles, therefore, are responsible for organic molecules having three-dimensional shapes such as tetrahedral in case of methane and trigonal planar like in formaldehyde. These shapes are controlled by the interactions between the electrons that hold the atoms, both bonding and non-bonding. That is, the electrons that are part of the covalent bond versus those that refrain from bond formation. Though the non-bonding electrons of the central atom are not used in calculating bond angles because they are not part of the bond, their presence still creates repulsive interactions with the bonding electrons, leading to more varieties of shapes such as seesaw and bend. These varied shapes in turn influence various molecular properties like boiling point, reactivity, and biological activity. Bond angles, how they form, and the reason behind various shapes are covered in detail in the chapter Covalent Bond, part of Organic Chemistry Fundamental Study Program. Subscribe at curlyhours.com/subscribe.